Oh, hey, caught me at an awkward time. Hey, while you're here, though, let's walk through Heritage Glen. Heritage Glen is from Forest River, of course, but we're going to walk through the Heritage Glen models. There's like 7 of them, ranging from fifth wheel to travel trailer, but just a quick little overview to let you know what the Heritage Glen family is all about. So the Heritage Glen family all come in fiberglass siding with aluminum frame construction. You get modern interiors inside these things. They all look great. The lightest model is just over 7,000 pounds. The heaviest model, just over 9,000 pounds. And of course, that is the dry weight. Your shortest model is 33 foot 9 inches. Longest model is 39 foot 3 inches. Let me say it again. Longest model is 39 foot 3 inches. Heritage Glen family is comparable to Tracer, Rockwood Ultralight, Solaire, and Cherokee Black Label.